Hello students, good day. How are you guys doing? I hope everyone is fine. So let's continue with our lesson for this week. I will read out a passage to you and then you will complete it with some words on the screen. The title for the passage is A Visit to the Zoo. So listen carefully while I read out the passage to you, okay? Today, our class dash took us dash the zoo. So those empty spaces, you need to complete them with words from the screen. Read the sentences and fill in the missing words. Understand? So let's start again. Today, our class dash took us dash the zoo. We went to the zoo by dash. We were about 20 students dash the bus. We entered the dash through a large gate. Our teacher guided dash. We saw a lion inside a dash. We also saw tigers, giraffes, and other wild dash in a fenced area. The best experience was seeing the roar of the big dash face to face. Snake dash was also a part of the zoo. Dash was a thrilling experience watching the dash move just like that behind the glass panes. We came back to dash at 3 p.m. It was a place worth to spend time with dash or big groups. So now let's continue with the next exercise. Our next exercise is for you to answer yes or no to the sentences. So let me read out the sentences to you. 1. Our class visited the zoo today. Yes or no. 2. There are animals in the zoo. Yes or no. 3. People live with animals in the zoo. Yes or no. 4. There is a snake park in the zoo. Yes or no. 5. The lion ate the giraffe in the zoo. Yes or no. So complete this section by answering yes or no to the 5 sentences. So right now, let's go to the third section. In this third section, you will have to choose the best suitable answers to the sentences below. I will read out the sentences and also the answers, and you will have to choose which one you think is the correct or best suitable answer. We have A, B, and C. So you have to choose which one you think is the correct answer. Let's begin. 1. Can you hear what he is? Dash. A. Saying. B. Telling. C. Talking. Number 2. She hasn't come home dash. A. Still. B. Already. C. Yet. Number 3. I watched TV yesterday evening. A. Saw. B. Looked. C. Watched. Number 4. We live dash the city center. A. Near. B. Next. C. By. Number 5. She looks dash a famous film star. A. As. B. Like. C. Similar. Number 6. This television gives you the dash news. A. Last. B. Latest. C. Later. Number 7. I only dash one mistake in last night's test. A. Made. B. Done. C. Make. Number 8. I want you to tell me the dash truth. A. All. B. Exact. C. Whole. Number 9. He is looking dash a present to buy for his girlfriend. A. For. B. At. C. In. Number 10. That's what I would like that Christmas. A. For. B. At. C. In. So guys, please complete all the 3 sections. Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. And in case you do not understand some of the questions, or in case you do not know some of the answers to the questions, you can always watch this video over and over again, or you can send a message to me and I will help you out. So that shall be all for our lesson today. Thank you very much for attending this lesson. And until next time that we shall meet again, please be safe, be healthy, and most importantly, be happy. So goodbye for now and see you in next class. Bye.